Yun! Cover up tattoo. Respeto sa dating artist ni Boss Teng from Manila. Yan. So kung mapapansin nyo, dark na in advance black and gray natin. Hindi na siya halata. Sa cover up po kasi right choices of design and placement. Kayang-kayang i-cover up yan. Even a colored, advanced black and gray. Kayang-kaya po yan. So leg piece yan. Bali 2 session. Kumbaga kinover up muna natin. Then the next session yung sa upper saka sa lower na. Yan. Sa tattoo naman, kung hindi pa kaya ng budget talaga, pwede namang 1 o 2 session. At least, may nagagawa na. Alright? So, kapatid, down to build a free layout and schedule. Ang kagandahan kasi, yung design, free for layout, revisable until I meet your expectation. Kasi nga sa cover up po kasi, talagang right choices of design. Lalo na kung nasa abroad kayo, pauwi kayo, at least, okay na. So, using a Tech Product Philippines from MLC Tattoo Supplies, Abo Machine, MLC Tattoo Supplies. Sa lahat ng gusto mong patattoo, be my next client. And thank you, Lord. Who's next? Lagi magpatuloy sa buhay. Happy Friday, our shop open 24/7. Do home service, hatid sundo, even car tattoo. Alright? Piercing, tattoo erasure, cover up, portrait, black and gray, colored. Kaya po natin yan.
Tawag natin si Peng Mauricio. So, ang ginawa natin is cover up tattoo.
Yes.
Pare, kamusta yung pinover up natin?
Quality. Tangin na, tinan nyo naman. Tangin nang yan. Dating na dating.
Dating na dating. Dating na dating.
Oh, yeah.
Si boss, nandiyan na yung kasi bossing. Oh.
Ayan,
Alright.
boss.
Pare, salamat sa ulitin.
Ito,